How much you made, fool? I made a stack. That's a fact.
Baby, like, look you, what you doing with them racks?
Yeah, I'm ready to race. Look like I came to the right place. Yeah, I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to be here. Happy to be at the track. I'm standing in the front, man, fuck the back. I know I'm not wrong for waiting. I got the steady, the patience. Ooh, I know when I get to the place, I can't wait to race. Hold on, let me get my drone. I can record this with my phone. Everybody looking and they stir. Yeah, it's my drone. How fast does it go? How far does it go? Like 3 miles. Wow, how much it costs? Like 1500. Oh, you want one too? Yeah, they sell them. Yeah, that's. You subscribe to my channel, right? Alright. Look out racing, man. You better subscribe. You gon' miss out. Look out, LOOKOUT. Look out. Like that. If you don't say it like that, you ain't even saying it. That right. Look out. Ooh, it's brand new. Guess what? I got insurance too. Yeah, that State Farm. They alarm me every time it's time to pay. I just be like, okay. How much is it again? Hold on. My stimulus ain't came in. How am I gon' pay? Just looked at my account today. Ooh, it hurt me. Guess who gonna come and race today? I don't know, but I hope it's somebody good and fast though. Please, somebody be fast. I don't wanna watch nothing slow. If you ain't got no drag radio, no slick, please exit to the back. I wanna see some go right when they come off the line. I wanna see a good 60 foot, like, I don't wanna see nothing that ain't just, you hear me? It's just that power. I wanna see it. I gotta see that power. I'ma use a supercharger. I go harder. I done came through, they just need, they get hot a lot. Make it need ice. Ooh, that shit melt fast. Melt fast. You need some oil too. Yeah, that's true. That ain't brand new, but the supercharger is. Ooh. What your 330 like? Is it slow or fast? Is it fast enough to get this cash? Can you get on anybody's ass? When you gon' race? Taking real long, man, you at the right place. You know the track hooking. Gon' pull up. Let's see what you got. Know that you're lying or you're telling a lie. If you did, man, you need a LSY.
My partner just called me. I told him I'm doing something, I'm busy. Yeah, friendly. XRP. Went to the track, sat at the back. Everybody looking like, where that drone at? Where your drone at? Can you yes, here I come. Hold on. Drone at? Where your drone at? Can you record my race? I'm about to be up next. Yes, here I come. Hold on, let me get my battery. I need these batteries charged. Ooh, it's been sitting on the charger. I'm about to take this a little farther. I'm going harder, and I'm trying harder. In that order, I got the drone man. They call me the drone man because I got a drone man. You know I got the drone. Just put my phone out my pocket, plug my charger in the plug-in socket. Ooh-wee, everything 100% charged, is fully ready and equipped. Man, I don't trip, I just pull out the drone with my phone and I dip. Ooh, I wait till the lights come down, 1, 2, 3 and go. 60 foot, I get the 330. Is it a gap, man? I got it, don't you know? I'm walking back and forth, steady pacing, coming in there, I'm trying to see. My auto-tune fucked up this week, but I'm about to fix it. I'm about to get it right. Oh yeah, that's it. Didn't pay me 1 cent. I did it for free. I did it for free. Didn't charge a fee. Hey, headed to the track, slicks on the back. Man, my shit so low it look like they on flat, but they ain't. They got just enough to get on your ass, you can't. Ooh, no brakes. Hell no, that ain't how we race. Didn't pay me 1 cent.